Using Printful on a Wix website allows you to sell custom print-on-demand products with seamless fulfillment. Here's how to set it up. Create accounts on Printful and Wix. Sign up for a Printful account at printful.com. Make sure you also have a Wix account with a store set up at wix.com. Install Printful app on Wix. In the Wix dashboard, go to Apps, App Market and search for Printful. Click Add to Site to install the app. Connect Wix to Printful. Open the Printful app in your Wix dashboard and log into your Printful account. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Wix and Printful. Create products on Printful. In the Printful dashboard, select your Wix store and click Add Product. Browse a product catalog and use Printful's design tool to upload custom designs for products like t-shirts or mugs. Publish products to your Wix store. Once your product is designed, set prices, product descriptions, and variants. Click Add to Store to sync the product with your Wix website. Manage orders automatically. When customers order from your Wix store, Printful will fulfill and ship the products directly.